In this video, we're going to talk about the Singleton Lifetime. In Singleton Lifetime, a single instance is created and reused for the entire application lifetime. Let's go to our program class and change the service registration to add singleton. And to avoid captive dependencies that we'll talk about in the next section, let's also change the registration of iBook repository to add singleton as well. Now let's run the application and navigate to /add-book. We see we get the same hash code for both the parent component and the child component. This means that the same instance of book service is being injected into the parent component and the child component's book service properties. Now this is one HTTP request. Let's make a new request by copying the URL, opening a new tab, and then paste the URL and hit enter. We get the same hash code in both the parent and child components. That is exactly the same as a previous request. So this means that for the entire application, a single instance of book service is created and reused whenever we specify a dependency of type book service, and that instance is reused across all HTTP requests as well. The Singleton Lifetime is ideal for objects that are expensive to create or for objects whose data must be shared across HTTP requests.